Hello, my name is Nevis Tracy and I'm here to welcome you to my week 3, Games for the EFL Young Learners Classroom. This is the EVO 2020 session, teaching EFL to young learners on the Moodle site. Right now, let's go and have a look at the Moodle. And here we are in the Moodle site. The Moodle site, you'll have a link to get here. Now, my week 3, doesn't officially open until the 26th of January. But in any case, I'm going to explain what you will find when you get here. So now I'm going to explain what to find or what you can expect in my week. My week starts on the 26th of January and it goes until the 1st of February. It doesn't mean I won't be there from the first week. We will. All the moderators will be active from week 1, when you will be getting acquainted not only with each other but also with your moderators and presenters. In my week, you will be doing some reading of theories and learning English language skills for using board games or games in EFL. We will do one discussion where you will discuss board games or other games that you can use in the young learner or teens classroom. Basically, we'll be getting the information from the theories that you've done in the reading, and then we will create one activity, and that will be a board game, and I'll show you that as well in a video tutorial so you don't have any difficulty following my week. I want to make my week as fun and enjoyable as possible, but also very informative, and to give you something to understand how to be able to use board games in your young learners classroom. These are the links that you'll find that will take you to the various sections of the Moodle for my week. The first one is the support forum, so let's just click on it quickly and have a look. The support forum is here, and basically it is welcoming you to this forum, and it's giving you some tips on what to do. Now, the support forum, and you'll just add a discussion topic, and that's how you'll be able to leave your comment if you have a comment or a question. Normally, it's the support forum will be there for those of you that may find some difficulty or navigating or other problems facing my week. So that's where you'll be able to leave a message. You don't have to. That is not a prerogative of completing the week. As you'll see, these little boxes mean that they need to be checked in order for this week to be completed. Now, this solid box means that I can tick that manually, which you'll be able to do. These other non-solid boxes means that they will be tracked by the system. As you can see, I already have one tick, because I've already done the reading of the theory and practical readings. That's a book. That's a list of PDFs that you can download. Discussing the reading material. Let's have a look at that quickly. So it gives you all the instructions, and then there are also some tips for this Moodle section. Again, what you need to do is click on Add a Discussion Topic and go ahead and leave your discussion topic. Then activity for week 3. This will not actually be available to you unless you have completed this activity. And basically this is going to a website, creating a video tutorial based on what you see at that website, and then coming back here and adding the link. And that means just a link which will take us directly to your YouTube video. And I'll give you more instructions on that later on. Hope this has been a brief but informative view of my week 3 in the Moodle, teaching EFL to young learners for EVO Session 2020. I look forward to meeting you in week 1 and working with you all the way through till the end of the session. Bye for now.